What is up, Hearties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how I did this beautiful Senegalese twist crochet. This is the braiding pattern that I used. I did sew a net around the perimeters of her hair, and she is going to be having a middle part. I already started and then I decided to record, so that's what happened. So I'm almost halfway through, but I braided her hair going back, and then I did a braid around the perimeters of her hair, and like I said, I sewed the weaving net onto her head, and then I just go ahead and I crochet the hair around the perimeters. I crochet the hair on her hair, and then throughout I crochet the hair on the net, just so that the net could be more secure onto her head. And I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me down in the comments down below. Yeah, enjoy. And if you do enjoy this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button.